Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can come up with a DIY natural acne and pimple soap. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. So here I have mix of oils. I have sunflower oil, olive oil, coconut oil, mix of different types of carrier oils. I also added essential oil for good smell, and this is vitamin E oil capsule. All right, so I'll be putting the vitamin E oil into the mix of oil I have. And this is glycerin. So I'll be mixing everything together. This is lye water. I'll be adding lye water into the oils and I'll be stirring alongside. Please be careful with the lye water not to touch you. Very important. So as you guys can see, the soap is thickening and we continue to blend till everything is well incorporated. So I think it's okay. This is powdered ginger, cinnamon powder, and I'll be stirring in everything together till well incorporated. Please, for the recipe measurement, check the description box. Cinnamon powder and ginger powder added to this, including the mix of oil, is an effective ingredient, natural ingredient that has the ability to clear your acne and pimples. So this is our soap. It's just a simple process and you're good to go. So our soap is ready. It's time to put the soap into a mold. You can use any mold of choice. I'm using my soap dish and we'll be putting this soap into the dish or mold rather. Our soap is ready. So be leaving this for 24 hours to unmold the soap. All right, so after 24 hours we'll be unmolding our soap. So this is it. So this is how our soap looks like after 24 hours. As you guys can see, the edges are like loose. So we'll be unmolding the soap. So this is our natural DIY acne and pimple soap. So guys, please, you'll be leaving this soap to cure for 4 weeks before use. Don't use this soap immediately. Please take note of that. All right, after 4 weeks you can use the soap. Don't use this soap immediately. And for the lye, I'll be leaving some information in the description box. So make sure you check it out. So the ingredients used for making this soap are not difficult to find. You can find them in your kitchen, with a mix of oils, carrier oils, and also essential oils that gives nice smell to soap. All right, the mix of oil like olive oil, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, just mix of oil. And like I said, I'll be leaving the measurements and the names of the ingredients I use. I've mentioned it in this video, but I'll still be leaving every information you need to know in the description box. And like I said, please leave for 4 good weeks to cure before using your soap. Guys, isn't this amazing? You can come up with this, and this is a perfect soap for clearing those acne and pimples on your face. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.